Still working? Okay, good. This time. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So I'm Dr. Daphna Palti-Wasserman. I'm the founder and CEO of EyeMinders. My background is I have a PhD in biomedical engineer from the Technion, and I have a track record of 20 years working with eye signals, which we'll talk about in a minute. One of the challenges in the mental health market, which we talked about a lot, is that the standard of care of assessment relies on interviews and self-report. It's subjective, non-standardized, and time-consuming. And this brings to delayed intervention and suboptimal treatment. And this is the unmet need that our technology wants to solve. We provide digital biomarkers, which can be used as a screening tool, as a diagnostic tool, and as a monitoring tool from mental health problems. And by using these digital biomarkers, we can deliver valuable, measurable, objective, patient-specific, quantifiable, standardized, and clinical meaning data. And I'll give an example. Imagine that a therapist can get periodically, when a patient comes in, or even remotely, a report showing him how his patient is improving or not improving by looking at how his biomarkers, specifically for PTSD or depression, are improving or changing. And he can use this data as a supported tool to do evidence-based decision. And this will help him optimize his treatment. It's not working, change. There's signs of more distress, change something. So this is what we want to do. So what's behind this these biomarkers? Well, it's a deep technology which is based on our ability to identify changes in cognitive and emotional load only from eye signals, physiological. These physiological biomarkers, together with AI, give us what we need for the mental health solution. The technology itself was tested and validated based on our first use case, which was credibility and risk assessment. And the technology is already endorsed by opinion leaders and clients in this market. So let's understand how this goes on. We have a sequence of algorithms, like a pipeline, which enables non-intrusive access to someone's inner world, to what's happening in his head. A person sits in front of a monitor. He's engaged in a customized protocol, which is part of our IP. While he's engaged in our protocol, a camera acquires his eye responses, and we have a set of algorithms which identify his cognitive and emotional load, extract his personalized physiological digital biomarkers, and from all this information, we can give applicable insights on the users. These are the biomarkers which can be used by the experts. Behind this amazing and innovative technology, we have a large group of multidisciplinary and an international team. They include people from software, algorithms, psychiatrists, psychologists, human intelligence, and of course, business development, both from Israel and the US. We're in the process of launching our US presence in order to, and we have the team already to do that. So we already have a working product based on our technology in risk assessment with a 95% accuracy, which is already in sales. And we now are adapting to the mental health market, growth and scaling to the mental health market of the US. We plan to start in a few months clinical trials with Sheba, Maccabi, Galil, and Ziv in Israel. And we're working on finding partners and working on our regulation in the US. We expect the product to be launched in 2027. And after that, we will go to other mental health disorders and neurological disorders. And basically, we're seeking mental health experts, researchers, design partners, which can be clinicians, institutes, Northwell, we had a representative, strategic partners, and of course, funding. Thank you very much. Hope to hear from you soon.